we foresee a problem here. So if you can just facilitate the process by issuing a further order, a further order which is facilitative in nature, that this complaint be recorded with IPOA, will have an OB somewhere, and a P3 form will subsequently ensue. Because even if we go to the officers, to the hospital, without that P3 form, we still have problems in him being treated and that issue being addressed.
Thank you, Mr. Ndegwa. I'm not sure whether IPOA needs an order to receive a complaint. Do they?
Our issue is, where do we record this complaint? That's the biggest issue. You can even compel that police, they take our complaint. Our issue is that they are going to decline to take it. But with an order of this court is pursuing the protection and upholding of the Bill of Rights, you can compel the OCS to take our complaint. So that then if it doesn't, we'll have them to come before you once again and tell you that the OCS has declined to take our complaint.
Which one?
Which one? Are you talking about this Kipro? He's supposed to have a complaint. This person.
Please have a seat. You see, now we are behaving. Are we making a gang inside the courtroom? So that we start shouting at each other. I think, Mr. Ndegwa,
yes, Your Honor,
you have the discretion on the decision with regard to where to lodge your complaint.
And
I think, excuse me, let me finish. Let me finish first. No, Mr. Ndegwa, sometimes we talk out of experiences of many years.
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have somebody who is alleging to be sick, is alleging to have been assaulted,
yes, sir.
If I were in your position, the best thing I would do is to ensure the person gets out as fast as possible and gets medical attention as fast as possible.
Yes, sir.
You go to hospital, get your treatment notes. Then once the person is okay, then you can then follow up the other issues. So please, if you follow what I'm telling you, I think you'll see the sense in it.
Yes,
maybe.
Yes. But the good thing is that the victim is able to identify his perpetrator before you and before the
so I'll urge us to stop there.